If you want to share your Tinkercad project with someone else, the good news is that it only takes a few quick steps. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to get your Tinkercad link, whether you're sharing a 3D design or a circuit. I'll also show you what to do if the link says unauthorized, because that usually means one privacy setting needs to be changed first. If this video helps you out, please hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tutorials like this. Let's jump right in. First, open Tinkercad and sign into your account. Once you're on your dashboard, choose the project you want to share. If you're working with a 3D design, click to open that design in the Tinkercad editor. Now look to the top right corner and find the Send To button. Click it, and a sharing pop-up will appear. Scroll all the way down in that window until you see Invite People. Click that option, and then select Generate New Link. Tinkercad will create a shareable link for your project, and all you need to do is copy it. You can now send that link to anyone you want, and they'll be able to view the design and in many cases, tinker with it by making a copy. If you are sharing a circuit instead of a 3D design, the process is slightly different but still very simple. Open the circuit you want to share. Then go to the top right corner and click Share. After that, choose Invite People. A link will appear in the sharing window and you can copy it just like before. This is the link you can give to classmates, teachers, teammates, or anyone who needs access to your project. Now, if the link doesn't work and you see an unauthorized message, don't worry. That usually means your project is still private. To fix that, go back to your Tinkercad dashboard. Find the design or circuit you want to share. Then hover over it and click the gear icon, which opens the Options menu. From there, select Properties. Inside Properties, look for the privacy setting and change it from private to public. After that, click Save Changes. Once the project is public, go back and try your share link again. In most cases, that solves the issue right away. So the basic idea is simple. Open your project, generate the link, copy it, and if needed, make sure your privacy settings allow others to open it. That's how you get a Tinkercad link the easy way. If this tutorial helped, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more step-by-step software guides just like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.